Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. You need paper, pencil, eraser and crayons if needed. Start by drawing a large rectangle in the middle of your paper. This will be the main part of the house. Draw the triangle on the top of the rectangle. The base of the triangle should be the same width as the rectangle. This forms the roof of the house. In the middle of the rectangle, draw a smaller rectangle. This will be the door. Add a small circle for the doorknob, that is optional. Draw two squares on either sides of the door. These will be the windows. You can add a cross inside each square to represent window panes. Draw a small rectangle on top of the triangle for the chimney. You can also draw lines on the roof to represent shines. Draw two parallel lines coming from the bottom of the door to the bottom of the paper to make a pathway. Draw a few simple trees or flowers around the house to give a nice surrounding. You can add shading and colors on the drawing. This creates an amazing look. You can add windows, door and roof, and also draw a pathway. Draw a few simple trees by making a vertical lines for the trunk and an oval or a series of circles for the leaves. Color the walls of the house in any shade you like. Use a different color for the roof, the door and the windows. Color the chimney pathway, that is optional. You can also draw curtains and blinds. Add a welcome mat in front of the door. Then draw an amazing sun that shines above the tree. Thanks for watching this video.